Hi there and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy air fryer bacon. You can make it in the Ninja Foodi 2 using the air crisp basket and the air crisp function of the Ninja Foodi. So all you're going to need for this recipe is bacon. Any kind of bacon that you prefer. We usually do about a pound of bacon, but you can make as much as you want to make, but you will need to do it in batches to make it in the air fryer or the Ninja Foodi if it doesn't fit in yours. So the first thing you're going to do is place the bacon evenly in a cold air fryer or basket of the Ninja Foodi. So that is what I'm doing here. I'm using a Ninja Foodi multi-cooker and the basket that goes in it. If you have a larger air fryer, then you're going to be able to fit more, so you just need to do it based on the size of yours. So I'm trying to get as much in here as I can without overlapping too much. If you overlap a little bit, it's not going to do much, but I'm also using center cut bacon for this one. I've used a variety of different cuts, but I really like the center cut bacon, and that is what we're using today. So what you're going to do is cook this for 10 minutes using the air fryer or air crisp function at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and then you're going to carefully turn it over after 5 minutes, and you'll add additional time if needed to get it to the desired crispiness that you prefer. So what I'm doing now is I have it all in the air fryer, the Ninja Foodi, and I'm going to just let it cook, and then after 5 minutes, I'll go ahead and flip it over. Now, whenever I do center cut bacon, it normally takes about 3 more minutes, so it's usually about 13 minutes total to get it cooked to where we want it cooked. It's a little bit less time if you're just using traditional cut bacon. That cooks up a little bit faster. So I've got all of this in there. I'm flipping it over now. So this is after 5 minutes. And it's going to cook pretty quickly after I've flipped it over here because now the air fryer is warmed up. So if you do preheat your air fryer, the times would need to be adjusted a little bit. So I'm using this with a cold air fryer. So now it's done, and I'm going to put it on a paper towel lined plate just to collect any of that grease. And ours is going to cook up a little more. It warms up a little more whenever it's sitting, so it's going to get a little crispier than what it looks. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in more and get another batch going. So it usually takes me 2 batches for a pound of bacon in the Ninja Foodi basket. So if your air fryer is a little bit bigger, you can do this a little bit differently. And then also you can do just enough bacon for you or whatever you want that morning, and then store the rest in an airtight container in the fridge until you're ready to make more. So this is what it looks like, all nice and crispy. Again, we like ours pretty crispy, so it's kind of up to you on how long you want to cook it to get it to the crispiness that you're wanting. So this is how you make air fryer bacon. Super simple to make in the air fryer or the Ninja Foodi, either one. And you can find the complete recipe over on mommyhatescooking.com or airfryerfanatics.com. There are many more recipes there as well. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Be sure to like and subscribe so that you do not miss the next one. Thanks again.